Alright, so today we are doing a walk around of the brand new 2025 Husqvarna TS348XD. This one has only 0.2 hours on it at this moment. Just picked it up from the dealer, brought it to the yard of the fellow who bought it, and we're going to look it over. It's got the clear-cut 48-inch wide deck. That's the lever for adjusting the deck height. Got some good old beefy tires in the back. This is the model number and information there. With this machine, we've got hydrostatic transmission. We've got a traction control because the yard we're in right now, as you can see, has a lot of hills. We're looking downhill if you can't tell in the camera. Big yard to mow. We've got electric PTO. And one of the differences I noticed from the previous tractor that this fella had from 2019, it had a Kohler engine on it, and as you saw, this one has a Kawasaki engine on it. Another thing is that one had automatic choke system, I guess you'd call it, where this one has a separate choke lever right here. So we've got a nice comfortable seat with armrests that go up and down. And I'm going to go around here and show you this tag under the hood, in case this helps with any parts that anybody might need. We got the belts, spark plug, oil filter, blades, and so on and so forth. So there you go. That's the walk around of the new TS348XD in the year 2025. God bless America.